Good morning to the Knowledge Finder viewers. Today we are going to study about the router configuration with two PCs. In the previous video, we learned how to configure two PCs with switch. If you have not studied that video, you can go to the previous video from this playlist under the Cisco packet trace. Like we go to the demonstration. As like the previous video, I'm going to use the Cisco packet tracer. So I open the Cisco packet tracer. Now I'm going to choose the component. I need two PCs, that's why I put two PC, and I need the router because I need to connect the router with two PCs. So I select the default router. Now I have settled the components and I need to connect the connection through the cable. Here we are going to connect different components. That's why I have chosen the copper straight through cable. Just I click on the PC and choose the Ethernet port and select that Ethernet port of the router. Then I do the same thing, select the fast Ethernet, and I added another port of the router. Now I connected through the cable. Now I need to plan the IP address for each PCs. So I need to put it like 192.168.1.1, and for PC1 I'm going to put 192.168.2.1. Okay, then I need to configure the IP. Just I plan the IP address now. Now I need to configure the IP for two PCs. So I need to set. I just click on my PC and need to go to the desktop. I need to select the desktop option. Just I choose desktop, and you need to go to the IP configuration. And here need to put the IP address as we planned. So I am putting the IP addresses in the label 192.168.1.1 and just click on the subnet mask text box and hit enter. Now you can see the added IP address able to visible, and as like same PC1 you need to put the IP address. So I'm putting 192.168.2.1 and just click on the subnet mask. Now I have configured the IP for two PCs, and I need to move to the router. I need to put the IP address for the router. So just click on that router and need to go to the config, and here there are two fast Ethernet because we are connecting the cable through the fast Ethernet port. So for the PC node, we are connected to the fast Ethernet 00. So I need to click on that and need to tick that on port status because we need to on the light, that means cable light, and we need to put the IP address for the connection. I am putting the IP address such as 192.168.1.10 and just click on the subnet. As it like same, I need to put the IP address for the fast Ethernet. It is connected to the PC1. So I need to put another IP address 192.168.2.10 because the router is considered as a gateway. It's provide the network to both PCs. So it is considered as a gateway. So I need to have connected and let's check whether IP has added, and all IPs are added, and here I need to set the gateway because I need to put the IP address of the router that we given previous. So just click on the PC icon. I need to put the IP address of the router that we connect upon the fast Ethernet 0. As it like same for the PC1, we need to put the gateway IP address. Here I am going to re-put the cable for the connection after assigning the IP address. Here I am connected. Then I need to stimulate whether both two PCs able to communicate or send the request and accept the response. So I'm checking, first of all, I'm checking the PC node and the router whether it is able to communicate. So just I click on the stimulation and just whether check. Yes, we can communicate because we are getting the green color signal, and just same thing I'm going to do for the PC1 and router. Yes, it's able to communicate. Now I'm going to check whether the PC node and PC1 able to communicate. Here we are getting the brown color, which means we couldn't communicate because we are connecting the router, but both PCs are in different way. So we need to add the IP address of each PC upon the router configuration. So I click on the router component and just go to the RIP. Under the RIP routing, we need to provide the IP address of each PC. First, I put the IP address of the PC node. Then I'm clicking on the add, and then I'm going to add the PC1 IP address. And just click that. Now you can observe the both IP address of each PCs are added in the router RIP. And now I'm going to check whether each PC able to communicate. Yes, we are getting the green color, so able to send the response and accept the response. We can communicate from the PC node to PC1, and also we can communicate from the PC1 to PC node. Yes, I think you can understand well the concept of IP configuration using a router and two PCs. We will meet in next video. Thank you.